Hello everyone. This is Dan-Dragonstar. I just delivering some updates for September because August is almost over, and I understand August is over, so I might back to work again tomorrow. I hope I might be back to work again, and I might be back to work again on Friday, but hopefully, but I will get it. Um, yeah, because this September updates, I will keep an eye on that thing, um, that thing I'm up to because I just, I just don't know what the script. So the thing I was up to is called, I what, I suck, I suck. No, it's something about the TV logs. I watch the TV logs. It's called I Watch It, It Sucks, because that's what they call it. So I will do something about that. So that's what they call it too. I Watch It, They Sucks. So it sucks. It's called It Sucks that I Watch It. That's all, because I use a funny plot scenes and funny own stuff. But this is gonna be a monthly on the monthly of these two, because I'm going to do it for 2 weeks monthly. I'm going to do it every second week. I'm going to do a video first week, and then I'm going to do a video for the third week, because I'm going to do 2 weeks of it. Plus, the updates for coming up of this date in an hour is called Bird Up with Dan-Dragonstar. It's called Bird Up. Is I made it up because it's not the Eric Andre show Bird Up. You think about it as a Bird Up to me, but it's not. It's called Bird Up. It's about it's about other stuff to do as better options, like comics, some video games, and some stuff and more to review. So it'll be a weekly. It'll be like not the weekly basis. It'll be like It'll be like a review. It'll be like every I think every Wednesday. I think about it uploads on Wednesday, but I gotta find a way to be popular on Bird Up. I gotta find a popular way for finding Bird Up to it, because I love that show called. I love what they try to deal with Bird Up. So that's all I try to get so far. And by the way, this is not it. Sorry about that. So just a previews of Bird Up is just coming up. So hopefully you may like it too. So it's about anything else. So I do reviews, reviews for the comics to comic books, and some anime reviews. Actually, some other ones. If I do the Bird Up specials, I will do it. So, plus the fact, in August terms, I need a second chance for this video, because I'm going to apologize to everyone for what I did to the past. What stays in the past goes to the past, and I'm going to apologize to anyone to the past I believe in. I'm sorry what I did wrong, and I will not do it again. I'm looking forward to the future, because I understand why, if I do it again, I'm no good anything else to do anything. I know good cussing. I know good making cuss words. I just making random shit. In the video, maybe I cuss a little. In the streets, I'm not really cussing, okay? You would skip all the ramblings or apologies about, so that's all you get. So, yeah. And I'm not done the final word yet. If I be by month, it'll be like the it'll be like the season of the final word Thursday. It's called that for seasons. It's going to begin like next month, and I don't know which date it should be. It'll be like the 16th for September or anything else. Let me know on the comments I do the final word, because I will do short commentaries, not anything longer than thought. But promise me that I'm good with short commentaries. Thank you for watching, and this is an update for September, for Dan-Dragonstar updates for September. And I might see you later. This is Dan-Dragonstar. Bird up.